Welcome to part 10 of this video. In this video, we'll learn about what is the pro and cons of the Forex technical analysis and fundamental analysis. Forex technical analysis is a well-known analysis by 99% of the Forex traders. Forex technical analysis visually we can see the exact Forex market. We can determine the Forex what is going to happen in future by determining the past performance. But fundamental analysis is not very good because I'm not saying this is not very good. It's partially good for the people are very depending on the market news. Fundamental analysis is more suitable for the share market. If you look at the news of the Apple company's released by new technology or new phone, it will boost the market price of the share Apple company. But in Forex, fundamental analysis only happen in occasionally. Like 1 week is only released. The country will release 2 or 3 news. If you depend on 100% on fundamental analysis, you cannot trade very peacefully because if you guess this price, this analysis, this news will impact that. For example, euro USD currency go down or sell. Suddenly it go against your favor. What happened? You will lose money. You will wait for long time for what that one news. You're wasting your time and in energy and money. In technical analysis, you can scalp, you can use that indicator in smaller time frame or bigger time frame. You can scalp and hold and you can swing. Swing means you can go for 300, 400 pips. It never affect. Technical analysis include uh, price action itself. Price action we using the line chart, uh, bar chart, and you also using the uh, price action. This is all visually you can compromise, but fundamental analysis is a internal factor which is only known by the country itself. They won't release the actual data in order to confuse you. This is the weakness. The second advice, the technical analysis is more on what you're doing, because if you're expert in something, you know what you're doing. But fundamental analysis not based on your expertise. Some people are saying like your hedge fund more depending on the news release. If you're doing share market, it's really helping you to put big amount of money in order to move the market. But in Forex, technical analysis is more on your experience, because if you have your skill in your pocket, no one can steal from you. If you're depending on fundamental analysis, which is third-party data, that third-party data can confuse you. It also sometimes is a really like they are purposely manipulate the market in order to get liquidity. This is a very complicated issue because in as a forex trader, I have 15 years experience. Forex is not only to give you money. If they don't have liquidity, for example, if they need $10 million, they will chase the stop loss of the retail trader in order to get the liquidity. Forex is more like a supply and demand. If demand is low, the supply will be increased. The supply will blow, demand will be increased. This is the way forex market is moved. So based on the forex market technical analysis, we can analyze the market based on the analyze how much we're doing. The third advantage is fundamental analysis is also very good for traders who are looking for the final confirmation of the technical analysis, because we cannot rely 100% on technical analysis. We also need fundamental analysis in order to put, because fundamental analysis, as I said before, the fundamental analysis is the true root of where the bank is putting money. The bank putting money based on the fundamental analysis. If the economy news data of the US saying that there is low unemployment, it means the bank all very happy. They will put big amount of money. It means trillion, billion of money will be put on that country currency pair. It make the forex market will boost. The liquidity is the way we will trade the market. If you know where is the money go, you can trade peacefully, because if there is no money, like there is no people and buyer and seller in market, the forex market moves sideways. It won't move at either buy or direction, sell direction. It takes some time, 3 to 4 days to decide whether forex market go up or down. I've seen this before, because there is a recently there is a big event. It's like a the news global pandemic that make forex market is move take 3 days to decide which market direction need to go. Meanwhile, the forex market is move sideways. This is the power of the fundamental. The fundamental make the banks decide whether to put money or not. They will decide based on the strongest news that released by the country itself. Sometimes the fundamental, for example, if the country like Euro was released some news, that news is impact for 1 week straight away. This is a way we will identify the strongest of the fundamental. Like if they say the currency pair is very very strong because of the news released by the country itself. In the end, I only mentioning that technical and fundamental analysis is a two eye for a forex trader. If you're a scalper, you can use forex fundamental analysis or technical analysis as a partial. But for the swing traders, you can use 100% or 90% of technical analysis, because swing traders basically hold their position for 10 to 3 months or 1 month or 3 months like that. So they are like putting the buy trend for in the bottom. They hold the market until they reach the top of the market. So end of the volume. So they will partially depend on the fundamental release, because they already know the market direction. They just put sell or buy only based on the major market movement. But the people are trading with the smaller time frame, medium time frame, or intraday players, like they only trade at the same day, daily basis. They need to concern about fundamental analysis. Fundamental analysis, like you are trading today, you don't know what is the market direction. You're looking at the fundamental analysis. Okay, the euro currency is strong today. There is a huge news release in the euro. So you can go to the euro currency pair, like you can buy the euro currency pair in order to uh, keep in the market. But for the swing traders or people are holding for 3 4 months, they just put they only depend on technical analysis. They only see fundamental the moment they're putting the position, like they want to put sale position then and hold for the next 3 months. They will see the fundamental news only the day one they enter the market. Then after 3 days they know the forex market will go the direction they are already targeted. So this is the pro and cons of the forex. It's all depending on your own trading style. If your trading style is short term, you can depend on fundamental analysis in order to avoid the big losses. If your trading style is a long term, like holding the one position for 3 4 months, is really technical analysis is a very very good way to determine the market. Thank you.